Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, oh, is that something on my lens? Yes it is. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have a Poundland haul for you. I picked up a few bits and pieces and I thought I would share them with you for the month of November. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. I love Poundland hauls and B&M hauls and Savers hauls and all like the random like bargain shop hauls. Love a bit of that, so I'm getting involved. If you'd like to see what I got then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's just carry on with the haul. Here is my bag of stuff. It is a completely random bag, but what you expect from Poundland. So everything I got was £1. I know that's really like obvious because it's Poundland, but sometimes now they do things that are like £2 or £3. Is a bit confusing. I don't really understand. It's supposed to be a pound shop anyway. So the first thing I got is this basket. It's actually something that I wanted to pick up, so not this one in particular, but just a basket. I just feel like I have loads of things around my room and like my personal space that just look messy, so I figured if I get this it might look a little bit tidier. I think what I'm going to do with this one is put my cleaning products in it, because at the moment I've just got a little kind of section underneath one of my desks and I have my little bin and then like some like fabric refresher, like Sephora, that kind of thing, and it's just all on the floor. So I figured if I get this it would just look a little bit tidier. They did have some smaller square ones in them, but in my head I couldn't work out like how big I needed the basket to be, and now I feel like I probably should have got the smaller rectangular ones, and you got 2 in a pack with those, and they're just like these plastic white baskets. They had a grey one and then like a blue one I believe, but yeah, £1 for a basket. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more organised, you know, small space organisation. Now I am so behind when it comes to the Euphoria themed makeup looks. I really wanted to do something with gems, and funnily enough I actually did makeup looks with gems like years and years and years ago. Obviously I'm not saying they're copying me, it's just a makeup look with gems, but I remember I used to use gems like all the time. So yeah, I bought some because I just spotted these in like the kind of like craft section and I was like, oh my god, idea. So I got a pack of gold ones. They are the adhesive gems. They already stick on, but I probably will put them down with glass glue, and you get 1,080 gems. That's a lot of gems. So I got some gold ones. They are quite shiny. They're not the most sparkliest of gems, but I feel like, you know, we can make them work. And I also got some silver ones, which I feel like a little bit more sparkly than the gold ones to use. But I thought these would look really cute, just like one on the brow bone, one here, one here. And I'm going out for New Year's this year for the first time in years, and I feel like I might put some gems on, like a little gem kind of pattern here. Let me know if you want a tutorial. I don't know if I'll be getting ready where I'm going, because I'm going to Birmingham for New Year's Eve, and I don't know if I'll be going there and then getting ready there or getting ready here, but let me know if you want to see like a New Year's makeup look. I think I'm going to do a tutorial, but I don't know if it's going to be the same thing that I'm going to do on New Year's, if that makes any sense. So wow. So let me know if you want to see that in the comment section down below, and then if I can I will definitely film like a get ready with me for New Year's. Next up, can't go into like Poundland or B&M, those kind of shops that are getting a candle. I picked up this one. It's called Luscious Plum, sweet and sultry, 21 hours burn time scented glass candle. This smells really good. Obviously it's only £1 and it's a pink candle. The other two, they had like a sandalwood and patchouli one, wasn't a fan of that, and then they had another one which I forget the smell of and I wasn't a fan of those at all. This one is really nice actually. It smells more like sweets. That's how I would describe this. It smells like sweets, but I really like it, so I picked that up. I'm also filming an autumn cozy routine later this evening, so I wanted to get some candles to light because I actually run out and like I can't have an autumn cozy routine without a candle, so I picked that up. It smells really nice actually. If you like sweet smells then you'll like this. So the next thing I got was some air freshener. I'm gonna probably use this in maybe the bathroom. Me and my brother share a bathroom and boys are smelly, so I got an air freshener, and this is in the scent Pink Sweet Pea from Airwick. I haven't actually smelled this. Should we have a go? Let's have a go. Oh. Oh. Yeah, smells pleasant, smells clean. So I picked that up. Apparently it acts in seconds, lasts up to 1 hour, premium fragrance, eliminates odours. You know, it's just an air freshener, so I picked that up. Then I got a mouthwash. Last time I got the milder taste one, but I didn't see the spearmint. I know some people are funny about spearmint. I know that's a thing, but I like it. I don't like a really intense mouthwash. It just feels like it's burning. But I picked this up. This is the spearmint mouthwash from Listerine. So I got some of that. Then I saw these and I was like, you know what, they actually look really nice. So I got some Johnson's baby cotton pads, but they're the big square ones, and I thought they would be better for like toner than the round ones that I have. So I got some of these and they look really soft and lovely, and I feel like the square ones just feel a bit more fancy as well, so I got some of those. Next I got some batteries. I got a pack of AAA. You get 14 in a pack, which is amazing. Apparently you get 4 for free. Don't really know how that works out, but yeah, so I got some of those. I've got 2 like light up beauty mirrors, but the lights have gone out on them. So after I filmed this video, and then I'm filming a Primark haul, so once I filmed that, I'm gonna put the batteries in those lights and put these in my drawers. Batteries are those things that you always just forget to buy, so I picked some up. I got some AA as well. To be honest, I couldn't actually remember which like battery size they were, but anyway, I have both size batteries. Can't go wrong. Pick those up. They were £1 each. It's actually so good for how many batteries you get. Then I got some foot lotion. I did have a proper look in the beauty section, but the Primark I went to, which is in the one on Watford High Street, just isn't the greatest Poundland. It's just not. They don't have like the greatest beauty things. I went to the Poundland in Birmingham not too long ago to pick up some bits for my boyfriend's like birthday party, pre-drinks kind of thing, and his Primark is so good. It's one in Birmingham, whereas the R one just doesn't really have much stuff in it. But I did pick up this foot lotion. So this is from Derma V10. I think that's, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's like Poundland's like own brand of stuff, because I've seen that a lot in Poundland. It's just a peppermint foot lotion. I don't have any foot cream and I wanted to get some. I've been really into like every like few weeks or so just giving myself a bit of a pedicure, like soaking my feet, getting rid of the dead skin, like doing my toes, that kind of thing. So I figured I'd get some really nice foot lotion rather than like wasting my nice body lotion. Just get some foot lotion, and it's peppermint, which is the perfect kind of scent for your feet. So I picked that up, and you get 100 mils. I actually think that's a pretty decent size. Then I did get one thing from the beauty section from Makeup Gallery, which is Poundland's like makeup brand. I've tried a blusher from them and I actually really like it. This is a plumping lip gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss, and I thought this would be really nice just to pop in my handbag, give that a go. I've already got some lip gloss on. Hopefully my hair doesn't get stuck in it. So I'm not going to test this out right now, but if I do use it, then you'll see it on like Instagram or YouTube or some form of platform soon, if I do end up like using it in a video. If not, I think I'm just going to pop this in my handbag. Sometimes as well, I was thinking, you know when you wear like a matte lip and it goes a little bit like crusty. I don't know, it's a really gross word, but it's the only word I can think of to describe it. Like after a long time of wearing it, it like kind of separates like near like the middle of your mouth. So I figured if I get this, that could use it just to kind of like top it up. Oh, it's got peppermint oil in it. How fancy. So yeah, I picked that up. Oh, one more thing from the haul. It was quite a little Poundland haul. Just the essentials plus a few other little bits, things just to make my life easy. I feel like Poundland, B&M, those are the kind of shops that just have the cheap, affordable things that just make your life a little bit easier or better. Do you know what I mean? Like look, nicer smelling bathroom, nicer smelling breath and less plaque. Actual beauty mirrors that have lights that work. Soft feet. Do you know what I mean? It's just like little improvements. Anyway, so speaking of little improvements, I got some multivitamins. These aren't like the ideal ones that I'd want to take, but I'm not taking anything at the moment like vitamin wise. So I figured, I've been thinking about it recently, and I think, do you know what, winter time, I'm feeling fatigued a lot recently. Just, I feel like I need a little bit of boost when it comes to vitamins. I do have like a smoothie from time to time and like drink water and everything like that. Like I don't have the I don't have the unhealthiest of lifestyles, but you can never go wrong with some vitamins. These are vegetarian and vegan, which is good because I did want to get the gummy ones, but I completely forgot that they have gelatin in them. I'm vegetarian. I don't feel like eating gelatin, which is a bit disappointing because I did when I was younger. I used to eat meat and I used to love the taste of the gummy multivitamins. So good. So I did have a look at the ingredients, they do have them in. I'm getting so many spam calls at the moment. Is anyone else? Like, what's going on? I'm getting so many right now. I know for a fact that's a spam call, I'm not answering it. Okay, so anyway, I got the Active Sports multivitamin food supplement. Vitamin C, what do they contain? Vitamin C contributes to maintain the normal function of the immune system during and after intense physical exercise. I'm not really exercising at the moment, but they're vitamins, you know what I mean? Vitamin B2, B12, which I have heard that people can be quite low in, and typically vegetarians. So maybe that will help like my energy levels. It's got niacin, pantothenic acid, thiamine, and it contributes, it contributes to normal energy yielding metabolism. So yeah, I just pick this up. You get 14 tablets. I'm just going to take one a day and just see how I feel after using the little pack. If I like these, then obviously next Poundland haul I will pick some more up. So look out for December's Poundland haul and I'll let you know if I get some more. That is everything I picked up from Poundland in the month of November. Just a small little haul with things just to improve my life a little bit, you know, make things a little bit nicer, a little bit easier, you know. And I spent £12 and 5p, and the 5p was for the plastic bag. I'm sorry, I just am terrible at remembering bags, and my actual bag I had on me didn't have enough room for all of this stuff. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below, let me know kind of what videos you want to see from me. I'm going to start brainstorming for like how I want my 2020 content to be. I want to be a lot more consistent in 2020. I know like we're still in November, but it's definitely good to talk about the future. So yeah, let me know what videos you want to see from me. If you want to see like any more like kind of like budget hauls, because I can't be doing a Zara haul right now. I'm trying to save money. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and I shall see you next time. Bye!